Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? This one's been around forever, but is it really true? Let's find out. Here is what's actually happening. When you crack your knuckles, gas bubbles in the joint fluids collapse and create that popping sound. It's not your bones that are grinding or anything harmful. Good news! Studies have shown that cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. There is no scientific link between the two. Here is a fun fact. While cracking knuckles is harmless, doing it excessively might lead to mild swelling or a weaker grip. And yes, it might annoy the people around you.
So, crack away without fear. It won't harm your joints. Follow me for more myths and facts you want me to bust next. Thank you.